Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the TenantCloud app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. TenantCloud is a property management app designed for landlords, tenants, and property managers. It allows users to list rental properties, screen tenants, collect rent online, manage maintenance requests, and generate accounting reports, all in one place. The app also supports lease agreements, document storage, and direct messaging between landlords and tenants. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. TenantCloud is praised for its clean interface and all-in-one functionality. Landlords find it useful for automating tasks like rent collection and tenant screening. Tenants can pay rent, submit maintenance requests, and access documents easily from their phones. The app also integrates with accounting tools, making it helpful for tracking income and expenses. However, it's not without drawbacks. Some users report glitches during rent processing or difficulty syncing bank accounts. Others mention that the mobile app lacks a few features available on the web version. There are occasional complaints about customer support being slow to respond, especially during busy times of the month. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, TenantCloud is worth using if you're a landlord or tenant looking for a modern property management solution. It offers convenience, automation, and useful tools for both sides of the rental process. But if you rely on fast customer support or need advanced features on mobile, it may require some patience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.